Engaging your current leads and your database is absolutely critical in making sure that you're growing your pipeline and growing your business. And at Listings to Leads, we got 2 new emails based on the Fed meeting last week in Jackson Hole that we want you to send to your seller leads and to your buyer leads. The email here is for your seller leads, and I'll walk you through the buyer lead email a little bit later in this video. The one for seller leads is talking about the fact that they are signaling that they could be cutting rates in September, but that rates really don't follow what the Fed does. It really follows the long-term bond market. That's first thing. Second thing, headlines do matter. And the headlines are now drawing some buyers back in some areas, which is great for home sellers. And that rates are at a current 10-month low. So serious buyers are in the market, are looking at homes for sale. And this is potentially good news for sellers in certain areas. And a big problem, though, is for a lot of homeowners who are thinking about selling and a lot of the current home sellers is overly priced homes and or marketing. Two things that you don't need to worry about with Listings to Leads. With the 100-point home marketing plan, showcasing their property across social media, database, the farm, and all the tools that we've got. With the 100-point home marketing plan and you marketing their home, they could face less competition if they price their home correctly, while other sellers are wallowing in overpriced and poorly marketed properties. So this is the email for your seller leads in your database. Get over to listingstoleads.com. Go ahead and log into your account and then scroll down to the section called Database Email Blast, Engage Seller and Buyer Leads. Here's the email we're just looking at. Fed hints at a rate cut. What does it mean for you as a seller? The email for the buyers is right here. And for both of them, you click on the subject line. And first thing you should do is take a look at the email and edit it to be appropriate for your area if needed. You don't necessarily have to do that, but if you feel the need and if you want to get that done, go ahead and do it. Take a look at the email. You can edit right here as needed. You can click preview and see what it's going to look like in their email. We're going to send this out through Listings to Leads and also through our own CRM. You can do either or both. Here you can see I can send a test email. That's what we were just looking at a minute ago. I'm going to come back over to the edit. I can then either schedule the email to go out through Listings to Leads. I can send it, select a audience. This is for my seller leads, and click send. So that's going to go to all of my seller leads. Now I can also copy the code. So copy the code right here. You got 3 options: copy code without the Listings to Leads signature, copy with the signature, or copy for Follow Up Boss FUB. That's what I will do. I'm going to go to Follow Up Boss, where the email editor is to send it out to my seller leads. I'm going to click Insert HTML. It's the far right icon. Every email program has this. Just paste in the code. There we go. And looks fabulous. It looked like there's a little bit of a right here. I'm going to just click Shift Return, put a little space right there. Not the biggest deal, but I like to make sure it looks absolutely perfect. And then I will replace this with the first name tag in my CRM as well. And lastly, I'm going to take the subject line, and in just like 30 seconds, I can send this email through my database to all of the leads in Follow Up Boss or Bold Trail or Lofty or whatever program that you are using to communicate with all of your leads. That's the seller email. Now for the buyer email, back on the Listings to Leads dashboard, click right here where it says Fed hints at cuts. Now I've already sent this email, but you're going to have the same options right here. I can edit it. I can send a test email. I can send it through Listings to Leads. I can send it through my own CRM. And I recommend getting both of these emails out the door as quickly as possible. This is timely news. It's great information for both our buyer leads and for our seller leads. Briefly here for the buyer leads is talking about the fact that a 0.25% rate cut, it's only $87 a month. So it's a little bit of a lift, but it's not that big of a game changer. What people are really more concerned about are the fact that the rates are already at their 10-month low. It's already baked into the current rates that people are getting. Even though the rates may actually get cut in September, a lot of that is already baked in. If by chance that the rates do get cut enough where the rates are going to get lowered dramatically or enough to make a difference to somebody, they can always capture that gain redoing their loan. They still got options, but if you are a serious buyer, once the rate cuts do happen, like we talked earlier about, the headlines do matter. What that's going to do is cause more buyers to come into the market potentially and have more competition for the buyers looking for a property right now. So if you got buyers that are serious about buying a property, don't wait for the actual rate cuts because again, it's already baked in. We got less competition right now and we got more negotiating with the sellers. When those rates drop and more buyers start coming in, buyers are potentially going to lose the negotiating power they have. They might see higher offers and more multiple offers, and they're not going to get that big of a benefit like they thought they were going to get from those rate cuts. All it's going to do is bring in more competition. For the seller, we want to emphasize the fact that more buyers may be coming into the market. We want to make sure that we price correctly. We want to market it correctly. So if you have any questions on this, ask our support team, get into the mastermind group. We'll talk to you soon.